Everyone, I'm Susan Regan, relationship expert and coach, and I just wanted to make sure you knew about my deciding what to do with your relationship 5-week workshop that I'm running. And in 5 weeks, you'll get a lot of information to either set your relationship straight and work on making it stronger, make a decision to do nothing because the timing is not right with a lot going on in the world, in your world, or start planning to have a healthy separation. And this can happen many, many ways. So I believe that relationships are everything. And if you're struggling in yours, if you're ruminating, if you're feeling unhappy, and if you don't know what to do about it, this is a really good place, a very contained, safe place that you can do some great thinking about that. And so there'll be a community call once a week, some homework assignments, some bonus information that I'll be sending to you, and you get to have 5 video chats with me. I will be responding to your questions that you have about your specific information and situation. So there's a limited number of people in the group. So if you're wanting to find out more information about it, don't hesitate to click the link below and let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to be able to give you all the information you need because I want you to feel really content and know what you're doing as you're starting in this fall season to work on feeling settled in your relationship. I look forward to talking to you at some point. Get in touch with me if you have questions. Bye for now.